Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Fidelity Investment requires a minimum deposit. The short answer is, for many of their most popular accounts, no. Fidelity Investments has a $0 minimum to open and no account fees for most of its retail brokerage accounts, including individual brokerage accounts, Roth IRAs, and traditional IRAs. However, there are some exceptions. For example, certain types of investments, like some mutual funds, may have their own minimum investment requirements. Also, if you open a specific type of account, such as a Fidelity Go managed account, there might be a minimum to start investing, though not necessarily a minimum to open the account itself. It's always best to check the specific requirements for the type of account you're interested in, as different products can have different rules. For most people just getting started with a standard investment account, you can begin with any amount you'd like. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.